In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF in Notion. Add PDFs or Notion tutorial. If you're organizing research, sharing handouts, or keeping project documentation in one place, bringing a PDF straight into Notion is quick and tidy. Before we start, make sure you're signed in, you have the page open where you want the file to live, and your PDF is saved somewhere you can easily find on your device. Keeping the file name clear and descriptive will help you spot it later in search. With your Notion page open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a three dots icon, sometimes called the page menu. That menu controls settings and actions for the page you're on. Click it to open the list of options. From that menu, choose Import. Import tells Notion you want to bring something from outside into this page. When you select it, Notion will prompt you to choose a file from your computer. Navigate to your PDF, select it, and confirm. You'll see the upload begin right away. The time it takes depends on your internet connection and the size of the PDF, so larger files may need a moment. Keep the browser tab or app open while it finishes. Once the upload completes, Notion places the PDF in your page automatically. You'll see it appear as a block, often with a preview or a file card, depending on your workspace settings. This puts the document right alongside your notes, tasks, and databases, so everything stays connected in one place. The original file on your computer remains untouched. Notion simply stores a copy inside the page. If you don't immediately see the new block, scroll the page. Notion typically inserts it near where you were working. If the preview takes a second to render, that's normal, especially with large or image-heavy PDFs. Also, if the file is encrypted or password protected, Notion may not be able to generate a preview, though the file will still be added to the page. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Confirm you have edit access to the page, since importing requires permission to modify content. If you can't find the three dots menu, make sure you're viewing a full page and that the window is wide enough to display the top bar clearly. On mobile, the menu may look slightly different, but the import option appears in the same page menu. And there you go. Open a page, tap the three dots, select Import, upload your PDF, and that's all. You've added your document to Notion, ready to reference, share, and keep organized.